In this video, I will show you how to create a flowchart with Chat GPT. First, head over to Chat GPT and type in the prompt. In this example, I will use create a flowchart of how a food and beverage company works, using latex coding. Wait for Chat GPT to complete the task. Now go ahead and copy the code. Next, go to Google and search for the free online latex editor called Overleaf. Click on it and you will be taken to the website. Sign up for it using your email. I've already done it, so I will log in. Now you want to go ahead and create a new project. Name it whatever you like. I will name it Food and Beverage. A white box will show up. Delete all the initial code there. Now paste the code you copied from Chat GPT, then click on the Recompile button. Here's the result. If you're happy with it, go ahead and save it as PDF by clicking here and you are done.